Hey guys, Chapter 5, Section 1 video for you today. We're going to work on, do I remember how to simplify fractions? So we're kind of going back to some basic skills here because it's going to help us moving forward in some of the new topics that we're going to be doing. So let's kind of review what we know about fractions. So remember, fractions are just a way to study parts and wholes. A lot of times we talk about eating pizza because you can take pizza slices and think of it as parts and wholes. But honestly, you can think about anything really as a part and whole. So here's an example, thinking of pizza. If we were to slice a pizza up, if you take a very close look at this pizza, each slice counts as one part of the whole. So if you were to count them, looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces of pizza make up this whole pizza. Now all together it's a whole entire pizza with 11 slices. So what we know is out of 11, all the red ones got eaten. How many are red? Well, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red ones. So 6 out of 11 got eaten. There's our fraction, 6 11ths. All we're doing is representing the part and the whole though. 6 parts got eaten out of 11 that make a whole. Alright, so let's try some problems where we simplify a fraction. We're going to do an example 1. We're going to simplify 25 thirds down to its smallest possible numbers. We're going to reduce it down. So, if you really needed to see a picture, here is 25 thirds. This pizza has been sliced into 30 little tiny pieces. That'd be hard to do. And 25 of them are in red. But we're going to simplify by dividing this fraction. What can you divide 25 and 30 by? Yeah, you can divide by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 30 divided by 5 is 6. So we can get this fraction smaller all the way down to 5 sixes, which on the pizza looks like this. Divide the pizza into 6 sections, and 5 of them are shaded. Watch, it fits right on top of the other. Alright, so 5 sixes is our simplified answer. Let's try another one, example 2. Let's simplify 6 18ths. Now 6 18ths can be divided down. What can we divide 6 and 18 by? Well, we could divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. But we could divide even more. I'm not totally done. I could divide by what? What can I divide 3 and 9 by? 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 1/3 is our answer. That's our simplified answer. Here's another way we could have done this. 6 18ths, instead of dividing it by 2 and then dividing it by 3, we could have just divided right away by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Same answer, 1/3. A little bit quicker process. So sometimes we divide by the biggest number possible if we can think of it. But if you can't think of it, you can divide by smaller numbers and just keep dividing it down until you get to the simplest fraction. Why don't you try? Let me give you a you try problem. Can you simplify 5 tenths? Go ahead and hit the pause button on your device and do it real quick. Okay, so you are unpausing your device. You've simplified 5 tenths. You've divided it down. What did you divide by? Did you divide by 5? 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2, so the answer is a half. Here's your visual. The pizza cut into 10 slices. 5 tenths is shaded. That's the same as 1 out of 2, 1/2. It's the same thing, just another way of doing it. Alright, I hope you did a good job on that. Just to wrap up our video here, simplifying fractions, here's what you need to remember. You're dividing it to its lowest values. And really, you're still finding equivalent fractions. They're the same thing. We're not changing the number, we're just making it smaller. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.